ABCDE of base 6 centimeters, right? So we need to take note of that. We have the base 6 centimeters, and we have EF 5 centimeters. Now let's identify. Looking at base 6 centimeters, that is this is a square, remember, right? So we have 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, right? A square, all the sides are equal, right? And here it's 6 centimeters as well as the other side. Now EF, look, this is F and this is E right here, right? So EF is the height of this square pyramid. Okay, now the question, we have A excuse me, we have A saying calculate the total surface area of the triangular faces of the pyramid. Okay, so we just want to calculate the total surface area of these triangular faces of the pyramid. Now you need to count how many triangles we have here, right? So look at this. This is one triangle, right? This side, okay? We also have this side, this triangle, right? This is also a triangle, right? Then we have this one in front and the other one at the back. So we have 4 triangles. I'm sure you can see that. So we need to find the total surface area just for the triangles. Just for triangular faces. So here you're going to notice that we have 4 triangles, right? Good. So that's the start. Now that you know that we have 4 triangles, look at this. If you have a triangle, right, like this one, you know how to find the area of this triangle, right? So in this case, we have our height, right? Our height said to be 5 centimeters. So we have our height, which is 5 centimeters. That's our height. Now our base is 6 centimeters. So this is what we have for one triangle. So we can calculate the area for one triangle, and then we are going to multiply by 4 because we have 4 triangular faces, right? Okay, so let's do that. So how do we calculate the area? Let's calculate it from here so that we can leave space there. So we have area for a triangle, right? That's area. Okay, that's area is equal to, how do you calculate the area of a triangle? That's half base times height, right? Now in this case, what is your, so we have half, right? We have half. What is our base? Our base is 6. What is our height? Our height is 5. So those are in centimeters. So calculating this, we can divide 2 into 6 and that will give us 3, right? So our area just for one triangle is 15 centimeters squared, right? This is the area just for one triangle. Now we have 4 triangles, remember, right? We are calculating the total surface area for all triangular faces of this pyramid, right? So the total now, okay, I'll write T area, okay, which is total area now, surface area for triangular faces only, right, is going to be, since one triangle, the area of one triangular face is 15 centimeters, right? 15 centimeters squared. So to find the area for all the triangular faces, and we have 4, right, we are going to multiply this by 15, right? And what are you getting? That's 60, right? So you have 60 centimeters squared. as the total surface area. Okay, as the total surface area for all triangular faces. Okay, so that is the area. Okay, thank you so much. Now we can solve the second question. So look at the second question here. In the second question, it's here. The question says, we need now to calculate the total surface area of a right square pyramid. Okay, of a right square pyramid. So in the previous question, that is question A, we were just calculating the total surface area for all triangular faces of the pyramid, right? And we counted that we had 4 triangles. So we started by calculating the area of one triangle, then multiply that by 4, and we got 60 centimeters squared. Okay, now here we are told to find now the total surface area of a right square pyramid, which is for all the faces including the one at the bottom. Okay, now here we come. The one at the bottom is a square, right? Keep that in mind. The bottom we have a square. Okay, now look at this. Your square, okay, you have a square, right? It will look like this one here. Okay, it will look like that one, right? That's a square. Now this square, you have 6 centimeters. We know that all the surfaces, all the sides of a square are equal, right? So we have 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. So how do you find the area of a square? Well, the area of a square again is simply squaring that length. So you have that. So your area will be 6 squared, which is 6 times 6, right? So we're going to get that 6 times 6, which will give you 36, right? Centimeters squared. Okay, now what you have calculated here, this is just the area for the bottom, which is the square base, right? Now we want the total surface area for the entire shape. So that tells you to say the total, right, surface area now for the entire square pyramid, okay, that we have is going to be, we are going to add, remember, we have 60 centimeters squared, which was the area for the total surface area for all triangular faces. Now we have for the bottom, which is 36, right? 36 centimeters squared. Okay, and what is this giving you? That's 96, right? So this is your total surface area for a right square pyramid. Okay, that is 96 centimeters squared. So this is how you calculate this question. All right, so thank you so